The sum of three numbers is 100. Find the numbers if the second number is 10, more than twice the first, and the third is 10 less than the sum of the first two. Okay, so meron tayong algebra word problem, particularly number problems. So meron daw tayong 3 numbers, yung sum is 100, tapos meron tayong mga description, yan. So kapag nagsosolve tayo ng number problems, we can represent first the unknown. So hinahanap natin is tatlong numbers, right? First, second, and third. So we will have first number, second number, and then third number. Okay, ano yung pwede nating i-represent as x initially? So, pwede nating i-represent as x yung number na hindi dinescribe. So, check natin kung sino ba hindi dinescribe, first, second, or third. Pag binasa natin yung problem, sabi yung second number daw is 10 more than twice the first. Ibig sabihin, dinescribe si second number. Kasi meron siyang description followed by is, right? Ano pa yung dinescribe? Si third din dinescribe kasi sabi siya daw is 10 less than the sum of the first two. So, ang hindi dinescribe, therefore, is yung first. So, therefore, yan yung ililet natin as x. And then, from the description dito, mararepresent natin yung second number in terms of the first number x. Represent lang natin tong description in terms of algebra expression. Yung second number daw is 10 more than twice the first. So, paano? 10 more than. So, we will have 10 more than. Pag more than, ibig sabihin addition, right? Twice the first. So, twice the first means 2 times the first number, which is x. So, 2x, right? Then, for the third, represent natin using the description. Third is 10 less than the sum of the first two. So, less than naman. So, we have 10 minus. Kapag less than, minus siya. The sum of the first two. Add daw natin yung first number tsaka yung second. So, x yung first number plus the second is 2x plus 10. Right? Ito yung representation ng third number. Okay? So, ngayon, pwede na tayong bumuo ng equation after natin silang ma-represent. Using yung first sentence naman na the sum of three numbers is 100. So, add lang natin first plus second plus third should be equal to 100. Ngayon, i-represent natin itong first, second, and third using x. So, na-represent na natin yung first number ay x. Yung second number is 2x plus 10. Yung third number is ito, x plus 2x plus 10 minus 10 equals 100. Right? So, ngayon, solve na natin tong equation for x. Okay? Sige. Let's try to combine similar terms dito sa left side. So, yung mga x, we have 1x plus 2x plus 1x plus 2x. Total of how many x? 1 plus 2 plus 1 plus 2, 6x, right? And then, yung mga constant, pwede rin natin i-combine. 10 plus 10 minus 10. Ito, makakancel nyo to, right? 10 na lang. Okay? Plus 10. Then, equal to 100. Ngayon, to solve this equation, isolate natin yung 10, transpose natin sa kanan. So, magiging 6x na lang yung kaliwa. Then, equal to 100 from positive 10, magiging negative 10 pag kinanspose sa kanan. So, combine, 6x is equal to 100 minus 10. That's 90. Then, to solve for x, simply divide both sides by the coefficient ng x, which is 6. So, canceling nyo itong 6. Resolve na natin si x as equal to 90 divided by 6. Eksakto yan, di ba? 15. So, therefore, itong 15, siya yung first number. Okay? Equal to 15. Tapos, yung second number natin, substitute lang natin dito yung nakuhang x, which is 15, sa 2x plus 10. So, 2 times 15 plus 10. So, that's 30 plus 10 or equal to 40. Okay? Tapos, yung third number natin, substitute naman natin dito sa equation. Actually, pwede nyo itong na-simplify pala, no? So, x plus 2x, that's 3x. Then 10 minus 10, wala na, cancel. So, third number lang pala is equal to 3x. Then, substitute natin yung x na 15. So, 3 times 15. 3 times 15, that's 45. So, therefore, the three numbers are 15, 40, and 45.